Is this a production model?
Yes.
Okay, you guys. Okay.
This is the first time that you've had both of these side by side in the world.
Okay. All right.
Should I do a Vectis or an Argo shot?
Do a Vectis first.
Okay.
Wait, so we're gonna do both.
All right, let's go.
Wait, literally first impressions of this, right?
Okay.
What do
This
you
thing,
want to say?
this thing is huge compared to the Argos, compared to the La Pavoni. But it looks awesome. I mean, if you were on a Londinium, what else do you want?
Yeah, well, like the R24 is like double.
I know, right?
So
It's so nice and clean. It's hot. It is really
But
hot.
it's 50. Okay, so both.
This is a 58. That's 58.
And that's
Yeah.
49.
Okay, we were dialed out. We wanted to be less fine. So. Okay, we're doing this one first. Do I have to, Kirk? Do I have to flush it first or no?
Up to you if you want to do it.
I didn't know if you flushed the group head on this guy. It's hot.
Romania, this makes it fine.
Okay.
It makes a lot of the mud. So
Water's
like
cheap.
long isolated.
Water's cheap. This is true.
Flush it.
All right, pull a lever down.
Is this a 18 gram?
I've been doing.
Oh wow, look at that.
Wow.
What if you go what's like the max flow on this? Like how fast?
Yeah, I mean, like,
Oh, there we go. Okay, that's pretty fast.
Feels good.
Yeah.
Is this 18 gram basket?
I've been doing between 16 and 18.
All right, we're gonna go for 18s then.
Oh, you can pull it down. The machine doesn't tip over.
Yeah.
cap shots first because they're.
Feels nice, right?
Yeah.
So,
All right.
Can you refill this? Like, yeah. You have to turn it all off. And, okay. Classic.
Londinium style. All right. And I was complaining to him earlier. You never know when it's done. You gotta keep puffing.
That's a max 1, max 2?
Yeah, we're good.
So why did you decide to go for like the Vectis over like the other, I guess, plethora of lever options?
Yeah, why did you get the Vectis over everything else?
Well, I was waiting for the Argos.
So you decided to get the Vectis instead, which was
And the Vectis was kind of a dream.
Do you use a top?
I don't.
No. Okay.
non-R24.
Oh, here. Big face.
Ethiopian.
Yep.
Is it natural?
This is the fellow drop. It's a natural. Okay. Whoa. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull into my little cup. If it's maybe I need a cup that's smaller. Use the dentist cup.
Tiny cup.
Ooh, it's hot. Everything you touch is hot.
Yeah, because it's a chrome, dude.
I know. All right. So walk me through this.
Pull the lever down.
Pre-infused. So just watch. This is your pressure here, or is this pressure in the tank?
That's a boiler.
Oh.
So there's no actual pressure. Okay, so you just pull it down. You should have pre-infused and
Yeah.
push up, right?
Yeah.
So like,
So it's up to you how long you wait.
Inside is
I've
bringing
been
their weight to like
waiting till I can see some coming up.
Do you go all the way down?
you have to go all the way down to fill,
It'll hold.
Okay.
and then now you're saturating.
Oh, I see. So
Okay,
I see
and then
some
you
drops.
can, yeah, and then you can push up down.
All right.
Marcus.
Let it go.
Let it go. Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
the fact that
Yeah.
it all goes back on the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But wow, that's like.
I know.
that is-
I know.
This is really nice.
Look at that shot. It's really pretty for a light roast.
Yeah. We could probably grind this even fine. Well, I mean, it still tastes good, but like,
Yeah.
but it's quiet. It's like that's
It's
the thing.
silent.
It's silent.
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 Yeah. But like that looks
Yeah. It does look really nice.
stuff here.
I mean, the build quality is unreal.
Yeah.
So that's my shot.
And then you have your reservoir here.
Okay. All right, you want to sample this? Let me get a little cup.
I need another cup.
All
But
right.
it's like simple, straight. It's very straightforward.
One's the pre-infusion
Anyone want some?
and the pre-infusion.
Well, that is a natural.
That is a natural.
Oh, all right.
Bon appetit. Cheers. 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 Cheers.
In the random YouTube video.
So like the
That is hot.
It's hot, but
Really good.
it's nice.
Smooth. It's what you expect from espresso.
Yeah. But also, it's like pretty standard lever profile.
Yeah, there's nothing. No. It's like it's good. There's nothing bad about it. It's not exceptional, but just good.
Yeah. So that's like pretty much my experience with like the Londinium anyway. Like the R24 is like this, where it's just like you can do. It's very forgiving. Yeah.
Oh look, some channeling.
Yeah. Well, you're slamming a puck with a lot of water.
Yeah.
But you get dry pucks. Yeah. So you,
Really dry puck. Wow. Okay.
all right.
And then I just.
like it should go up and then you reach a nice bell curve and then going down.
Do a little flat.
Alright.
But this is the, this is like a flamingo. Yeah, it's like
Yeah.
the creamy experience. So it's like you have to turn everything off, let everything cool down before you can add water in.
Right.
But the capacity on this is pretty big.
Here, I'm gonna leave this in here. Okay.
How long's like time on this guy?
15.
15? Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
can I just go for it?
So usually it heats up faster than you can pepper pump.
Oh, really? What basket do you have in here?
It's a Pullman.
Oh, it's just a Pullman 18 gram?
Gotta get the filter, paper filter.
Oh, you have it? Okay, good.
Paper filters.
You got some Austrians?
Correct.
Oh, we got the whole kit and caboodle. Yeah, give it to me. We'll do this the right way around. By the way, did you notice the glitch shirt straight from Japan?
Oh, damn. I don't have any cool merch. I have merch I paid for YouTuber bullshit.
Oh, don't worry, we're gonna make some Bay Area merch.
There's gonna be like a very chaotic video, and some poor guy watching free content on the internet is gonna complain. Like, oh, who's this guy dude talking about machines?
I'm just-
I don't even need my own videos.
No, Bay Area coffee, dude, we got it. This is really hard to do when you're holding a porn filter.
With the lower the mask and gives you directly your
Okay.
your water,
Stop.
like the
All right.
energy into your water. This is the only thing what is constantly on. If you pay attention,
We have the 909 on the bottom, so this is probably gonna be a little,
It's gonna flow fast.
yeah.
Alright. Touchscreen.
OE. OE.
Okay, so what do we have to look at something on the app, or like what are we doing?
It's just the temperature.
Okay. Yeah, what's the setup right now?
So it's set at 92 degrees for brew temperature. And so the software decided that 112 is what it should be for the boiler temperature because the group head is at 46.
Okay.
So
So there's like a 50-degree difference.
All right.
right.
Do you want the group head to be hotter on this, or like don't you?
So the group, no, you
It
want
doesn't matter.
so that's what the software controls the boiler temperature based on the group head temperature. So it sets the boiler temperature so that once you start pulling the shot, it'll be at whatever temperature you set.
Oh, got it. It's just giving you the live readout right
Yeah.
now. Okay. I
I'm
see.
pulling into this because I want to be able to pour out of it better. And you don't push up, you just pull down.
Yeah, so there's a couple
so
of
this-
things here. So when the light is green there,
Yeah.
that means it's at temperature.
So now I pull down?
Pull down.
How much?
Keep going. You'll start hearing it gurgle. A little more. Okay, stop.
Oh, I hear it, yeah.
Yeah. And then you feel it, the lever lift by itself.
Oh, and I let it go?
No, and then you push it down even more.
Yeah, because you have to fill,
Yeah. Now it's pre-infusing.
and then you should. It was like what 3 grams, or how long do you have it pre-infused for?
I'll usually leave it until it's like 2 or 3 grams.
Okay.
Yeah. So then that's like the Londinium style. I think
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
The spring will kick up.
I will say this machine feels a lot less robust after using the Londinium. We might be too fine. Yeah. But the footprint is great, and this isn't like, I mean, this is kind of a lot of force, but nothing compared to when I did the Strikeman shot. All right, I'm gonna let go at 1 gram.
Yeah. All right. And then that's the spring kicking in. This is definitely not gonna look that good because of the.
No, the filter, yeah.
I mean, we don't have to. I think there's a little too fine.
It was a little too fine. I could feel that when I was pushing the lever. It's also a very large drop.
There is a drip phase.
Oh, is there a drip? Oh, yeah. The little shower drain.
Yeah,
It looks like.
that's why I put the cup.
Oh, use the cut, yeah.
Sorry.
If you had it closer, we'd get more crema.
Ah, it's fine. Okay, so this is 28 out.
So a little fine.
Yeah.
Still going.
Oh, it's still going? I'm just gonna catch all the
I mean,
drips.
honestly, it'll probably taste okay. This is a max too, so.
Yeah, it's gonna taste fine.
The low ratio is actually better.
All right, I'm gonna just push this up. Oh, it's done.
Yeah, you can just.
There we go. Okay. Who wants some? Yeah, of course.
That's the exact same coffee. It's definitely
same
a
coffee
shorter
before.
ratio here. We have enough for.
Yeah, we do a little more.
All right, thank you, good sir.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers. We need to do a group photo, by the way, today.
Oh yeah, we'll do a group photo later. I have the camera.
That was way better.
This is better than Londinium
Oh,
shot?
it was so much better.
Really?
Oh my god. Is it a 6-bar spring?
Yeah.
I think that might be it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's better or worse?
Huh? Better than the Londinium because I think it's just the 6-bar is a little more gentle.
And this is 8 bar?
Eight?
Yeah.
8.
But wow. I mean, that was
This was much more like apparent fruit notes. It is like
Yeah.
much more intense. This was like still that just like
This felt like a lever shot. This is
That
what
was
I
a
always
normal
expect a lever shot
yeah.
to taste. This tastes like what I get out of my decent.
yeah. Much brighter.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still good. Like our grind sizes aren't that close. Or like this is required a finer grind, but like they must taste fine. Just like this is like definitely that standard lever profile here.
They
Or
were
Londinium
great. Like if I
profile.
had
They're
either
good.
of these machines, I would be happy. Yeah.
Have the Vectis here. We also have the Argos. Actually, we're gonna pull this Mod Cup double yellow Gesha. I don't even know. This is illegal coffee. This is a Wilton Benitez coffee.
Very light roasted recipe.
You guys should smell it. Have you guys smelled it? You guys should actually smell this.
Get the experience of diving in with the recipe. Wow. But then you load on it. And then people say, oh, light roast.
Alright. I think this is a max. Is this your max? 1, 2, 2 LM.
Yeah, you just
That grinds way faster than mine.
stuff like
Okay, so this is nice where it's actually planted. That feels really good.
Tiny little
Lots in.
it's even
Good.
sealed in like a
Feels good. I think it's sealed. Keep going.
so that can you or people that you're asking about.
Get some cups.
only thing with walnut is for bigger pieces of wood, walnut is very natural.
Let's let it pre-infuse for like a few seconds and see.
And then after say like, oh, that's too much.
Maybe we're grinding too fine. But this is like a classic. I'm gonna let like a 1 drop come out.
Yeah, but like this, but like that's
Super slow fill. Okay, this is like actually traditional like London.
low weight limit.
Push that up. Oh, we got porter filter sneeze. You didn't see that. That's the classic single stream like espresso. I guess I didn't lock it in fully enough, so we had a little bit of sneeze there, but that's like that's espresso. That's espresso. That's the double like the yellow. There's the steam tower.
Yeah, we're actually just turning off the machine.
Yeah, but we're turning off the machine. Because you have to like empty out everything with the with this.
Oh, we're doing double duty now.
Yeah, you double. Yeah, you do both. Yeah, but it's like you can't fill like these machines. You have to like get everything out for it to work.
This is part of the reason why Hydrangea started, by the way.
Oh, whoa, very cool.
He's one of the persons that started.
Are you the person who demanded this?
Ignis.
Yes.
He's 100.
He's the person that
100 bucks.
demanded 720. This is,
78S. Oh, it's 78.
I don't know the boost that is.
We went another day. We organized like a meet up there.
Can we prove the bottom?
Jason spent the whole morning it was actually okay. So exciting.
Yeah, it just felt
Smell
like it was
this.
like slightly.
Oh,
I'm gonna get
wow.
Robert's gonna brew this.
Okay, wait. So we got the
Hold on.
very expensive Ignis. You should smell it. That is crazy.
This is.
I brewed this already.
We already know this one.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Super.
Your faces say everything. Like everybody's like,
Interesting.
Bill, did you want to smell this on this ground?
That's my boss.
Zoom in, getting in there.
And make sure you get the kettle and the dripper.
Hello, Brian.
Which recipe
Fellow
are you
rising.
using? Are you using the raw recipe or your modified raw recipe?
Well, I also do want it to like bloom a little.
Is it blooming?
Not really.
Not really.
But it is like.
I really like it.
Is it your daily driver now?
Pretty much. I don't know. I'm kind of stoked to get the vehicle. I wonder what the option
Oh, the 01?
is. It going to be the 120? It's the 120.
It's 102 millimeters.
Okay, I didn't know what it was.
Yeah, they said it was 102. I don't know. It's so chunky.
I kind of want to. I don't know. I do really like the P100.
I think the workflow is honestly the best.
This thing is so like. It's hard for me to justify
That's
this.
what you point out.
According to Lance, that's cheap. I'm chasing. I have a P100. Yeah, it's still on light now. It's not a max. I mean, my P100 is like if I'm paying for something, I want something.
You just smell this. It smells really. It's like.
It smells like tea.
It's very like tea-like, perfumey.
We'll do all the April logos at once. Patrick himself is with us.
Okay.
All right.
You guys want to try some?
Hold on.
Green light.
Get in line.
All right.
Wow, it smells crazy.
Oh, thank you.
Honestly, this does. We're gonna have to brew a second cup of this, I think.
You think so?
Yeah, there's no way there's enough for everybody. Ben is just waiting. He's like salivating.
Oh my god, I have to serve. There's only so much left, guys.
We'll make another cup.
The next couple will be better.
That's right.
I mean, this is the Ignis. This is like my. You smell it.
Oh, jeez. Hey, it's $1. You got some? You got some? Okay.
It's really good.
Okay, I need to. Oh, come on.
Just
No, hold on.
Just lick it.
Okay, all right.
It's not enough.
No, I have a little just for myself.
I didn't understand how.